Happy Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Day! We're drawing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, but the cute version. They're gonna look something like this. We drew a few in advance so that we can later draw the different weapons in case you choose a different Ninja Turtle than what we choose. Cuz, what's your favorite Ninja Turtle, Mia?
Donatello.
Donatello?
Mm-hmm.
That's the purple one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
He's the brains. Yeah. Mine's Mikey. Michelangelo. He's the one that loves pizza above anything else. I guess they all love pizza though. All right, you ready to get started?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is gonna be a super simple one. We'll start by drawing a circle for the Ninja Turtle head.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So let's draw a circle towards the top of the page. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw their little eye band by drawing two curved lines. 1 and 2. Yeah, and they're gonna be little happy turtles. So we're drawing a curved line for their eyes. 1, 2. Oh, Mia, you're so fast. And then just two little short lines for their nose. Their little breathing holes, I guess. Their nose. Their nostrils. What am I talking about? Yeah. And then since they tie their little eye strap, I don't know what that's called, we're going to draw two leaf-like shapes on the side, okay? So a curved line out, and then draw one more on the bottom, just like a leaf, and then one more below that. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but at least it shows that it's tied. Yeah, good job. And then we're gonna draw their cute little plushy bodies. So they have this round body. We're gonna start on the bottom side of their head here and draw a curved line down. And another curved line down. And connect that with a bottom curved line. Good job! Okay, so now we're going to draw a belt for each of our Ninja Turtles so that you can put which Ninja Turtle you picked and their name initial on the belt. Okay? So let's draw a circle sort of on the bottom half of the body. Yeah. And then draw two diagonal lines to the side of their body to show that it's a belt connecting to the middle belt buckle. And then this is where you would write a D for Donatello. And I'm gonna write an M for Michelangelo. Yeah. Okay, and then for their cute arms and legs. All right, so for their arms and legs, we're going to draw a diagonal line out and curve. And we're going to draw another diagonal line in, but make it wider on the outside than the inside. Just like that. Yeah. And then just so we show that this is a plushie, we're actually going to draw one more curved line right in between those two diagonal lines so that it kind of looks like their little hand, plushie hand. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so diagonal line and a curve and another diagonal in. Yeah, good job. Okay, now for their legs. We're gonna draw the exact same thing that we did for their arms, but just a little bit thicker. Okay, so a diagonal line out, and I'm gonna do another diagonal line out. draw a curve connecting it and another curve. Yeah, good job. And then just the same on the other side. Good job. And then in the middle, we're gonna draw one line across and then another line vertical so that it kind of shows that this is a turtle shell. And that's it. That's our cute little Ninja Turtle. And we're gonna color it later, but these Ninja Turtles each have a weapon, right? Okay, so what does Michelangelo have?
The spear kind of things.
No, that's Raphael. Michelangelo.
Nunchucks.
Yeah, he has nunchucks. So for those of you who like Michelangelo, draw along here. We're gonna draw a little rectangle coming out of his one leg, I guess. Turtles have legs. They don't have paws. So one little rectangle kind of behind it. And then I'm just gonna draw a spiral. Just like that. And then draw one more rectangle, long rectangle on top of that, just so it looks like nunchucks. And it's kind of the cute version, because our Ninja Turtles are cute. All right, Mia, you ready for your big long staff that Donatello has? Okay, so for you, you're pretty much just drawing a long, thin rectangle. And this is where I have this little guy as an example. So if this were Donatello, I'm gonna draw D for Donatello. We're just drawing one, oops, one long line, and then coming back with another long line. And we're just gonna go behind and then make that rectangle. Yeah, and then I like to put some textures, kind of like some diagonal lines here and there, because I think it's wrapped with some bandages or something, probably for better grip. I'm not sure. And then I'll probably color that in later. So that's Donatello. All right. Not sure, Art Along Friends, if any of you like Raphael, but we'll show Raphael's little weapon too. I think they're called sais, or they're little spear things, the little short spears. So we'll start by doing a rectangle behind the leg again, but this time we're drawing a horizontal line on the bottom, bringing it up, making a pointy triangle, but don't come all the way down. And then we're gonna draw one more pointy, longer, kind of like a crown. And then another one, just like that. So that's a quick and easy version of Raphael's weapon there. And we can even add textures for Raphael by putting a little bit of lines on the handle.
What was the last ninja's name?
The last ninja's name is Leonardo! Leo! He has a long sword, right? The katana, I think. So for the katanas, draw a slender little rectangle to the side, right above his hand. And then a longer rectangle going behind his hand, and then we'll draw one diagonal line up, kind of curved, one curved line, and then we'll connect that with a straight line on the other side so that it looks like a sword. Yeah, that's Leo's weapon. All right, so we're gonna get coloring of our favorite Ninja Turtles. And so I'll set these aside for now.
Let's go.
All right.
Ah. Did it get on my nose?
What? Ah! You marked yourself on the nose.
I didn't know that the marker was open.
Okay.
I only need to color one more thing.
Whoa. How are you so fast today?
I'm done.
How are you already done? Are you gonna do any more decorations?
I'm thinking. He's going down the sewer.
Oh.
Remember? Because that's where they live, underground in the sewer.
Yeah, they do. That's right. Good job.
I'm gonna draw a little mouth.
Yeah, go for it.
What does that say?
TMNT stands for Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Hashtag Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Donatello has glasses.
Yeah, in some versions, Donatello has glasses. Good job.
There we go.
Awesome. I think we're done. What do you
Yeah.
think?
Yeah, I think we're done too.
Yours is going down a sewer, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing. And I love how you gave him glasses at the end. Well, enjoy Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Day and come art along with us.
Bye, see you next time.
Mia, you gotta go wash your face now. Since you marked yourself on the face with the marker. See ya!